Hello friends, my name is Mani, and if you are looking for your masters or for your bachelors for English top program in Germany for public universities where you do not need to pay the tuition fees, then you're watching the right video. You can contact us. We will help you out to register, to file the application for English top program for bachelors in Germany for public universities or for masters in Germany for public universities where you don't have to pay the tuition fees, and you are still working hard for IIT or for any government paper and you're not able to clear it up, then Germany is a very good option because the university has better ranking than IIT or good ranking throughout the world. So you can contact us, write us an email, or you can swap this video to register with us. Thank you.